Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable spell check in Adobe Reader. By the end, you'll have spell checking turned on, so typos are underlined as you type in comments or form fields, making your reviews faster and cleaner. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. Give it a second to load, then open a sample PDF you're comfortable using for settings changes. Any document will work here. The goal is simply to have a file open so you can see the interface and confirm the setting afterward if needed. Now look to the top left area of the screen for the main application menu. Depending on your version, this might appear as a standard menu bar or a small menu button. Click that menu to access the app options. From there, go to Preferences. On Windows, you can also reach this from the Edit menu by choosing Preferences. On macOS, you'll find Preferences under the Application menu at the top of the screen. Either route takes you to the same place. Click Preferences to open the Settings window. In the list of categories on the left, locate and select Spelling. This section controls how Acrobat Reader handles spell checking in interactive text areas like comments and forms. If you collaborate frequently or fill out PDFs often, enabling this can prevent small mistakes from slipping through. In the Spelling panel, turn on the spell checker. Look for the option that enables checking as you type. When it's on, misspelled words will be underlined automatically, which helps you catch issues in the moment rather than during a final pass. Next, choose a highlight or underline color for misspellings. Pick a color that stands out clearly against the documents you usually work with. A high contrast color makes it easier to spot errors at a glance, especially on busy pages. You can always return to this setting later and adjust the color if you find it blends in too much. When you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to save and close Preferences. Your changes take effect immediately. From now on, as you add comments or type into form fields, Acrobat Reader will underline potential misspellings using the color you selected, and you can right-click on an underlined word to view suggestions. If you don't see the spelling category, make sure you're running a recent version of Acrobat Reader, as interface labels can vary by release. That's it. Spell check is now enabled, helping you produce more accurate, professional PDF annotations and entries.